Hello and welcome to Lydia Hawk Designs. What I love about this pattern is its delicate lace quality and how easy it is to adjust in size. And it only takes a few hours to make once you get used to the pattern. It makes a great addition to my bedroom diorama where I stage my dollhouse wares for future projects. For instance, this bed I made is a full/double bed. You can find the tutorial for the bed at the link below. First, we need our pattern, which you can find at the link below. I am using Aunt Lydia's Fashion 3 size 1 superfine crochet thread in the color lime. And I'm using a US 1 2.75 millimeter crochet hook. This is the smallest hook size I can use personally with this size thread. You can make this blanket larger or smaller by going up or down in thread and hook size. You can also add to the row width by adding or subtracting 6 chains. For mine, I have a finished size of 5.5 by 7 inches. Start by chaining 48. I am pausing here to mention that I am also using jump rings that are easy to open and close with my fingers in order to mark all the seashell or 3 double crochet spaces, beginning with the first chain space and then every 6th chain space after that. In the 4th chain space from your hook, double crochet 1. Skip 2 chain spaces and double crochet 3 into the next chain space. Now skip 2 chain spaces and double crochet in the next. Skip 2 chains and 3 double crochet. Skip 2 chains and double crochet 1. Repeat to the end. Work your way all the way down the row, then chain 3 and turn. You can add stitch markers also at the end of each row if you have trouble finding that last stitch to work before every row turn. Row 2. Work 3 double crochets into the center of the below seashell stitch. Work 1 double crochet into the below single double crochet stitch. Repeat to the end. Your final stitch is 1 double crochet into the marker space or third of the chain 3 from the beginning of the last row. Now chain 3 and turn. Repeat row 2 until you reach your desired length. In my case, I have 21 rows total because I want a large blanket that will drape nicely over my custom dollhouse bed. Don't forget to stop regularly and check your work. The first blanket I made, I kept crocheting single crochets instead of seashells. Once you get used to the pattern, it's easy. When you reach the end, you can do a few things. You can single crochet a row around the blanket, like I did for this first blanket, to give it more of a finished edge, or you can leave it, like I am doing with my second blanket. Let's look at both. To single crochet around the edge, first chain 1, then work 2 single crochets into the corner. You will do this for each corner. As you work down the side of the blanket, you will work 1 single crochet into every available space. There's the chain 3 space and there's a small opening between all the chain 3 spaces. I worked only 1 single crochet into the chain 3 spaces. For the foundation row, I worked 1 single crochet into the open spaces and 1 single crochet into the base of the double crochet stitches. The top row is just a single crochet into every stitch space. For this blanket, I'm happy with the edging, but I need to block it so the shape is clean. To block, I'm going to soak this in warm water for around 20 minutes. Just water, no soap. Next, I'm lying it on a towel and shaping it. I'm going to leave it here for a few hours and then turn it over. Eventually, it will keep its shape and I can lay it flat on my tabletop to finish drying. Thank you for following this tutorial with me. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything else you would like to see. Until next time.